talk while I'm talking, but I'm going to talk while you're talking. So that's the rule. No, you can't talk to anyone while the interview is on.
Okay.
That's another rule.
Okay. Begin with the interview.
Okay, go.
I will
Judge.
I will judge.
We are the judge.
Okay, go.
So what did you judge?
The questions. Okay.
No.
Are you
Question
drunk?
number 1 right now, Toby.
Okay.
Make it fast.
Are you drunk?
Okay, that I will pass. Are you drunk?
No, I'm not drunk.
Okay, then I can tell whatever question I have in mind. Then you have to answer it.
Yeah, I
honestly.
will answer your question.
You have to answer it.
Make it fast, Toby.
Then, what did you do honestly in Singapore that you have never done before? Did you went to bar?
Would you mind to repeat the question?
Okay.
So very fast.
Okay. What have you done in Singapore that you have never done before?
We went to
Wait. That's a PG answer. That's a PG question. That means that has to be answered in PG question. That has to be answered in PG answer. So, where clubs have you been?
I never go to
No.
I never
Answer
went.
me honestly.
Go. I never go to the club.
Wait. How old are you?
22 right now.
You are already 22, but you haven't been in a PG Singapore club. How was that?
Because my sister is very strict.
Your sister is very strict. Then, no, strict, not strictly. Your sister is very strict.
Yeah.
Then, whose sister?
Michelle K. Marie.
Michelle is very strict. Then, have you brought any girl to your, is it apartment or a house?
Apartment?
Okay. Have you brought any girl at your apartment?
I can answer that. I cannot in the
Bring Rocky.
Then my question is.
What's your question?
Wait. You cannot answer until I'm talking.
You cannot talk. What age?
You have to
lose your
finish.
virginity.
Okay. That is by popular demand. Okay.
Oh, what's your problem?
That's question by popular demand.
Oh,
How old are you when you lost your virginity?
age is 5.
A very good answer. But we have to hear it from the speaker itself.
A reason how?
Wait.
No, you said the reason.
Wait.
No question repeat. No question repeat. Already called. Answer it.
Wait.
The question is when.
For the record.
The question is when, not
For the record. Wait. When did you lost your
You have a donut talk that one topic. Donut talk.
virginity? Hello. Our guest just did a very, very offensive. When did you lost your virginity?
Oh, it's low back. My tablet is getting
No,
low
you have to speak
battery.
You have to speak it loud. Rocky.